Hey guys, and welcome to another video. If you aren't even sure if you're over the last year, let alone ready for the new year, then take a deep breath. I got you. Today's video will walk you through the 5 steps I take at the end of every year. All you need is paper and a pen. Now, personally, I like using a erasable pen because it's not as permanent as a normal pen, but it's not as impermanent as a pencil. So I'll drop the link for where I got this whole pack. It's like blue and black pens, I try to stay away from red pens. It's just a thing. I learned that when I lived in China, but yeah, I digress. Okay, let's begin. Step 1, on whatever you're writing on, break the page into the following categories: career, financial, spiritual, physical, intellectual, family, and social. These 7 categories are the core areas of life. Step 2, write down everything you want to start doing per category. Here's an example for the category career. Maybe you want to start speaking up more in meetings. Step 3, write down everything you want to stop doing per category. Here's an example for the category career. Maybe you want to stop being late to work. Step 4, write down everything you want to keep doing per category. Here's another example for career. Maybe you want to keep championing for diversity. Step 5, congratulate yourself. Now you have a full picture of everything you need to focus on for the next 12 months. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to get notified about more videos coming your way. And as always, be self-made. Full of wonder and endless possibility. Time is our greatest opportunity. How will you make the most of this gift? Together, let's create more abundance. Hey!